Hey guys, welcome back to Cooking at Pam's Place. I'm Chef Pam and we're getting ready to make a smoothie, a green smoothie. You know, sometimes we have to get on the healthier side of things and you don't need to go and buy all the powdered things for smoothies. This is an all natural, healthy smoothie. So I'm going to show you what I put in my smoothies. Okay, if you want to learn how to make all kind of homemade food and dishes, easy, simple, made from scratch, take a second and subscribe to the channel. Turn on the notification bell so you won't miss anything. And then just keep hanging around because I have a whole channel full of recipes that'll get you there. Let's get busy. Okay guys, first thing we're going to do is go over our ingredients. Two things I want to say. One, as usual, they will all be down in the description so you can make it too. Also, it's pretty much customizable. So if I'm using a fruit or something that you don't like, switch it out. Switch it out for either what's in season or what you like. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is a green smoothie. And so we have spinach. You can put kale in it, but I just love mine with spinach. So I have some spinach here. I have some cucumber. I have celery from my garden, and the celery is pretty strong, so you don't want a lot of it. I have a jalapeno pepper that I'm going to put a couple of slices in. Ginger. Now, ginger is very strong, so you don't want a lot of it, but you do want a little. I've got some frozen pineapple. Now, this pineapple was a fresh pineapple that I cut up and froze. So I've got some frozen pineapple, and frozen fruit is good because it helps you have that coldness to your smoothie without anything else. I've got a half of a banana. Okay, I have a half of a banana, a good ripe banana. I have a little peanut butter. If you have allergies, you can skip this. But for me, I think the peanut butter just takes it over the top. I've got a little heavy cream that I'm going to put in there for give it that good creamy mouthfeel. And then I am using this for just a tad bit of sweetness. You only need about a teaspoonful. But this is skinny syrups. And this particular flavor is pistachio latte. You can use these in your coffee, your tea, your smoothie, your baked goods, anything. They actually have no calories, no sugar, no carbs. So if you're doing keto or anything like that, you can find these at Marshall's, TJ Maxx, and Ross. So that's where I get these from. And if you can't find them and you do want a little extra sweetener in there and you don't want to use sugar, maybe stevia swerve or something along those lines. Okay, let's go ahead and get into it. Oh, and you're going to need some liquid. I just use water, plain old water. Occasionally I will use tea, but water. Okay, let's go ahead and get our green smoothie made. Okay, so we have our blender out. You're going to need some liquid. And like I said, all the measurements and things will be in the description. I like to put my water in first, and you can add some more if it's not blending correctly. Everything that I have here also, guys, has already been washed. I've already cleaned everything off, so I don't need to do that anymore. Now, the only thing I'm going to do is grab a spoon for my peanut butter. Okay, I like to put my peanut butter in the middle so that it won't splatter all up on the top of my blender. After that, you can go in any way you want. I've cut a slice of another jalapeno that I had. It goes in. The ginger goes in. The celery, just give it a couple of rough chops so it'll fit in there pretty good. Putting my pineapples in. My banana in, and my cucumber in. Okay, now I'm going to start blending this before I add anything else to see if I need any more water or when to add in the rest of the ingredients. Okay. Okay, we are pretty much all done. I'm going to pour this out, or pour it up or serve it up. Okay, we are all done. Thank you guys so much for coming and hanging out with me today. If you are new to the channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. I really do appreciate each and every one of you guys. Oh my goodness. This smells amazing and it tasted amazing too. Now the choice of glass that you use is completely up to you. I like to use these glasses. You can use whatever glass that you like. Oh my goodness, if you could just smell this. Look at that. Doesn't that look amazing? Oh my goodness. Delicious, delicious, delicious. Thank you all so much for coming and hanging out with me today. I really do appreciate each and every one of you guys. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'm working on my subscribers and I would appreciate you guys' help. So subscribe to the channel. Turn on the notification bell so you'll always get my videos every time I upload them. Give it a thumbs up if you got anything out of it, and please share it out. And I will see you next time, the good Lord willing and the creek don't rise. Cheers.